On February 1st, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the budget for the coming financial year. The budget will outline the projected income, expenses, and financial goals for India. As all eyes are on Nirmala Sitharaman, one big question is, how is the budget going to affect you and me? Will it ease the burden on the middle class? According to various reports, several experts are optimistic. As taxpayers look for reforms and relief, here are a few changes that are anticipated. Let's start with standard deduction. For those who don't know, standard deduction is a fixed amount that can be subtracted from taxable income and thereby reduce the sum of tax you need to pay. In 2024, the standard deduction was increased from 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees under the new income tax regime. Let's understand using a simple example. If you earn rupees 10 lakh annually, you'd only have to pay tax on 9 lakh and 25,000 rupees. Now, financial experts are expecting that the standard deduction may increase to 1 lakh rupees, further reducing your taxable income. Next, we have the tax slabs. As you may know, different brackets of income are taxed at different rates. Under the old tax regime, income of up to 2.5 lakh rupees per annum remains tax-free. Income between 2.5 to 5 lakh rupees is taxed at 5%. 5 to 10 lakh rupees is taxed at 20% and so on. In the new tax regime of 2024, no tax is levied on income of up to 3 lakh rupees. Income from 3 lakh rupees to 7 lakh rupees is taxed at 5%. For 7 lakh to 10 lakh rupees, the figure stands at 10%. The rate keeps increasing according to income. Now, in the upcoming budget, reports say these tax slabs may be revised, offering some relief to taxpayers. While it can't be said for sure, some have predicted income of up to 4 lakh rupees may become tax-free. Another thing that may change is the income rebate. As per Section 87A of the Income Tax Act, a person with an income not exceeding rupees 5 lakh is eligible for a rebate under the old tax regime. Under the new tax regime, the figure stands at 7 lakh rupees. This effectively makes people's income tax-free if they are earning within this limit. According to sources, the limit for rebate can see some changes for the better in Budget 2025. What's more, a new income tax bill aimed at simplifying compliance for taxpayers is also expected to be introduced. This bill is reportedly known as the Direct Tax Code. Talk of this new Direct Tax Code emerged when Ms. Sitharaman presented the 2024-25 budget back in July. She spoke of making current income tax laws simpler to read and understand. Ms. Sitharaman also mentioned reducing the number of pages of the IT Act of 1961 by a whopping 60%. This lengthy act deals with the imposition of direct taxes as well as those on securities, transactions, gifts and wealth. Among the biggest likely changes, the new bill is expected to make calculating tax amount and filing returns easier. Arzoo Tanwar for NDTV.